Today, we headed on over to the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World to go do one of our favorite things, in-going pin trading. But while we were there, decided to jump on a couple of other rides and hung out for a little bit. So make sure you stick around for today's theme park adventure at the Magic Kingdom. Good afternoon, everyone. It is Mitchell, aka The Walker in Orlando, and welcome back over to the Magic Kingdom. We decided to come on over today for just some evening fun and magic, henceforth the Magic Kingdom. But came on over for a little bit of pin trading, a little evening fun, and also see some pins, possibly wait to see Happily Ever After. So make sure you hang out with us today as we do hang around the Magic Kingdom today. So today will be one of the more busier days because the Magic Kingdom is open until 11 p.m. But the reason it's going to be a little bit busier is because of the fact that tonight is not a Halloween party night. So the nights that they do not have Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party going on tend to be the more busy times. So because of the fact that it is also running the normal fireworks show, and people can stay late. So it tends to be a little bit busier, and it already shows to be very busy because the highest wait time in the park as of right now was Space Mountain at 140 minutes. Alright, so first off, it's going to be off into Curtain Call because like I said, we are going to do some pin trading as well today. So we're going to head into Curtain Call, which is right next to where Town Square Theater is, and it's the gift shop at the exit of the meet and greet for Mickey and Minnie. Or just Mickey.
Do you see anything you really like?
I think the Star Wars one.
The R2-D2 one?
R2-D2. I don't know if I always mix up BB-8.
Don't mix that up for people. People get it.
There's also a Star Wars one too.
Oh yeah.
You want to give this to her?
Oh, absolutely.
So Kayla traded for this little zoom of R2-D2. Really cute. If you guys are really curious where this pin board is, it's in the gift shop and right behind the cash register. We're gonna go do something we haven't done in a long time. We're actually gonna go over here and do the People Mover actually. So you used to always ride this to see all the construction work being done onto Tron, but now it's just to enjoy the ride in the sky.
Right by two of my favorite spots. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? And a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny Borak.
Travelers are joining me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor's herd.
Affirmative. We're on it, Buzz. You can count on us. Wazowski has brought in some real monsters of comedy. Whether you have...
Alright, so we're going to go into Star Traders to check out their pin board, because they have a pin board in here. They also always have some really cool merch. They got all the Hocus Pocus stuff as well. Really cool. They have some of the shirts are now have some of the Pixar shorts, because they have this one, and then they also have the bird one, which we've seen a couple of times. So, oh, and La Luna right there as well. Alright, so we traded for these three. We traded for, so Kendall wanted the little Jasmine one. She wanted the then we got the Avenger and the Lady and the Tramp. What's pretty cool about the Lady and the Tramp one, or the Lady one, is the Loungefly one. So, still really cool. So it's always kind of fun during the fall season because as the leaves start falling, cast members like the Custodio or other cast members will start making leaves into Mickey heads. So it's always really fun to find those around the park. So we were just noticing that Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is curling down, but I don't know if you guys could tell or not, but they're actually walking the people off of the ride right now, evacuating them. But not only is this down, but also Tron Light Cycle Run and Winnie the Pooh are down, all at the same time. So the rides are kind of struggling right now a little bit here at the Magic Kingdom. So to give you kind of an idea of wait times around the park, so like, you know, your first few aren't bad, Country Bear, but then they kind of start jumping up really fast, like Enchanted Tiki Room's 15, Philhar's up to 25, they're up to 30, they're up to 30 for It's a Small World, Speedway's up to 30, dang. Got Under the Seas is 40, which we're doing that next. Thunder's 45, so not bad. Like, not awful, but when you get to the higher end, Jungle Cruise an hour, Pirates an hour, Haunted Mansion an hour and 5, Buzz Lightyear 70, Meeting Mickey's 80, Space Mountain's 90, and then like I said, these three are closed, so a little on the busier side, but I also think people are starting to get their spot for the fireworks, which are at 8 p.m. tonight. Alright, so now we're going to go into Big Top Souvenirs. I don't think, honestly, we've ever taken y'all in here to do pin trading, so I got to show you guys where that is for sure. Like normal, any pin trading spot, I will have a map an arrow pointing to it, so you know where to look for if you're going to be pin trading at the Magic Kingdom. So I think I've showed this before, but they have these new, like essentially like pin trader things where like you can actually put this on a strap and you actually put your pins on the very front. Or like for Kayla, we talked about that we could actually, this actually we found out does fit onto our Kavus. But not only do they have that, they have these little ones and then the straps they've got for them. So before I show the straps, $30 for that one, $25 for this one. So this one doesn't have ears, this one does. And then your straps are going to be $20 a piece. So you got the Magic Kingdom looking one. You got a Mickey one. Ooh, this one's actually really cool. This monorail one is really cool. So it's kind of cool. They really are expanding on it. You see, that's kind of what they're talking about. Is they've got the new pin tradings because there's different ways you can wear it.
Do you have the pins or do I?
So these are the pins that we traded for. Well, it's kind of funny because we actually traded for these. And so this one right here, the Mickey holding the balloons, actually the pin is supposed to look like this here on the right. So it's actually missing part of it. And then Caitlin says that this one probably is a part of a series, this one, probably like 2001. So if I find the pictures of those, I'll put that up as well. So pretty cool pins still though. So another one of the shops that we normally don't get to go to, we're going to the Village Gifts for the next pin trading location.
Good.
What?
Yeah, I think I want that one.
Yeah, absolutely.
So these are the two that Kayla ended up trading for. So we were talking about that 2001 series. Well, we just found the two, so now we're just missing a 0 and another 0. So I wonder if the other ones are like Donald and Pluto. And then there's this one, which it looks like it's from the Haunted Mansion, but I will Google Lens it and I'll show you. I'll either say what it is or show you what the pin name is. Lightning Lane for Under the Seas with Ariel, the slow-moving ride here, is all the way out past the entrance, next to where the exit area is. So, not sure if maybe something just happened or a ride went down. Oh, because all the other rides going down, like Winnie the Pooh and stuff, they may be coming over there and doing that because they have a free pass now to use at another attraction.
Thank you.
It's always interesting to me to realize that it used to sit where 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea was when the park first opened, and now they've pretty much rebuilt all on top of that lagoon. But it's funny because Ariel has always pretty much, in the entire time that I remember coming to the parks, Ariel's always met in this back area as well. So, but I feel like they did some of the best work bringing this attraction in because it looks amazing. And
Watch your step.
Whitey got all mad and told Sebastian the Crab to watch over her. Then there was lots of dancing and singing.
What do you call them? Oh, feet.
It's off through the waves they roll. The fish on the land get happy under the sea.
Mercer has great powers. See for yourself. Oh, yeah.
Poor unfortunate souls in pain.
so something we're going to do that we haven't done since it's actually reopened is do Enchanted Tales with Belle. This is one of the most unique experiences because they kind of take you into the story of Beauty and the Beast, and also they usually will have people partake in roles.
spell and act out the story of how they met. Oh, I can hardly wait.
Are you all ready to see Belle?
Yeah.
I'll shout sometimes. Lumiere, did you get the lights?
But of course.
Nice.
Well, where are you, mademoiselle?
Lumiere. Now! Hello, everyone. Hello.
All right, time to head into Memento Mori, aka the Hana Mansion gift shop, for a pin set in here. All right, so these are the ones that we ended up getting from the Hana Mansion gift shop. There was another one, but actually what was funny was the pin was actually damaged, and I was surprised they kept it on there because it's like physically you can see the damage. But I will say I do love the fanny pack series. I think this is one of the coolest series they have, but this Corella one is really cool. All right, now we're gonna go into the ticket office here in Liberty Square where the guest experience team usually hangs out in. So we're gonna go in here look for that pin board as well if they're still in here. Time to go check out Ye Old Christmas Shop really quick for those pins, because we are going to try to watch Happily Ever After from behind the castle. Okay, so let's see, anything good? Alright, so these are the ones that we traded between the ticket office and Ye Old Christmas Shop. So we've had some luck. We found some really good ones, but we've consistently traded almost at every board. So it's been kind of nice actually, because even if you don't keep the ones that you find, having some new traders is always fun to always have, especially if you're just trading around the park, because honestly it's like getting something new every time you come to the park. So the fireworks go off at 8 p.m. for fireworks tonight, and they're already playing announcements around the park that Main Street is already at capacity. And the reason why Main Street is a big deal is because you have all the projections and everything there, plus it's just the ideal way to watch it. So they're telling you to watch it from other areas around the park. So that tells you how busy it is, because it's like 7:05, fireworks don't go off till 8. So almost an hour before, and Main Street's already almost at capacity. All right, so into the Frontier Trading Post to do some pin trading, and we've seen a lot of other pin traders around, so that's why we found some good pins lately. Here are some of the new limited edition pins. They have these Darling series. They have like Snow White, Aurora, Rapunzel, Tiana, and even Vanellope. But check out all the arcade ones. I really like this pin a lot actually. But Lilo and Stitch. I always go for Lilo and Stitch. Oh, look at the comic books. Those are really cool. Let's see, anything over here? Oh, get Goofy. Oh, they have the cool runnings. Wow. This box set's very popular right now too as well, so I would open more box sets, but we don't have that kind of money. So if you guys would like to see us open more pin boxes, just donate to our PayPal and we'd be more than happy to do that. So this is going to be the time of the night where you're not going to want to be shopping, because everyone who's not going to be watching fireworks like us, we are trying to use the Emporium to get out. Then you got all the people who are trying to buy things right before the park closes and everything else. So I always say, if you want to do your shopping, do it kind of early in the morning, because you can still send it to the front to be picked up, but the resort delivery is still not back, and I don't think it's going to come back. Alright, so we were going to try to save for fireworks, but my little sister who's with us is starting to really kind of hit the wall. So we said, you know what, let's just try to avoid the crowds and go ahead and head on out. So what I'm going to do is, like normal, show you the pins we've got. Like I said, we really got some decently good pins, like pins that I've never seen or haven't seen in a while. So we were able to get those. But like I said, if you guys want to see me open more mystery packs, let me know and I'll do that. But also to help us out with that, we're gonna have. I need you guys to go down to our PayPal and donate there, and we'll be able to open more. We may open more of those and do some giveaways with those mystery packs. So just so you guys can see that and everything else. So, but since the crowds are getting very heavy and it's getting very busy here at the Magic Kingdom, we decided we were gonna go head on out for the evening. If you want to see more of our adventures, make sure you check it out right here, especially our pin tradings. We've been really hitting it hard on the pin trading. So, but with all that being said, as we do head on out from the Magic Kingdom, we will see y'all next time.